So I thought I'd try a different route, and yeah, humidity is killing me. And it's a case of one step, wait for half a minute, one step, wait for half a minute, because the leg's screaming. But it's not just all the horse shit that's everywhere, and I do mean everywhere on these footpaths. It's the fact they've been dumping it. I mean, there's big piles here. And the thing about the horse shit, it's not the smell, it's the horse flies, and they're fucking evil. So, no way, how can I camp anywhere near here? Plus, it's where like smackheads bring their victims to gangbang them, so I'm not going to be camping here. And there's not a lot of tree coverage in that direction. That direction, possibly, but I don't know. It's too fucking hot to go walking with that real end. I was so hoping to get over the hill and get down to the seaside, well, the coast. Thing is, there's nowhere to actually put a hammock up on the coast because it's rocks. I've got no sticks to use to actually hold it up. Could always go in the woods, but I just want a different view for a change. And there's nowhere to sit down, and it is swarming with bugs from all that horse shit. Yeah, this is pretty obvious. This is being dumped by locals. I can see tourists bringing horse shit to dump here in fucking 2-ton piles. There's more down there have been dumped, and they have horses in the fields. So rather than just dispose of it themselves, they're dumping it in laybys. Fucking locals. Worse than jippos. Okay, right on the very distance there, that's North Hill. The very top of that is where I normally camp, my hammock. And there's nothing around here where I can strap up. Nothing at all. And I'm running out of shade. There's a little bit of shade there, but that's it. So I'm gonna try to head across that way. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm roasting. I've got 3 litres of water. I'm not drinking anything until I find somewhere to park. Once I find somewhere to park my ass, I'll have water. I can drink a litre of water or one bloody go once I find somewhere to park. And that'll give me 2 litres that I can ration. But no water until I park up. Oh yeah, I can't just walk across because there's a big ass valley going from up there all the way down to the bottom of that valley. So yeah, I've got to walk all the way up there, maybe follow the road and then cut across, possibly. And there's a lot of horse sign. I do not want to wake up with my ass getting bitten. This would be ideal, except for one problem. Not the horses. I can kind of, it's not the horses. It's the fact that the main road, it's a dead end road, but it's a very popular dead end road, is just there. And it's not so much the noise of cars up and down all night long. I'm going to be an easy target, someone poke with a stick. So, yeah. Shame. Really nice little location. So a place I wouldn't mind putting the hammock up for an hour, but it's 6-ish, 7 o'clock. Got maybe an hour and a half before it gets dark. I don't want to be pissing about having a torch trying to put a tent up, especially when it's over rough ground. Shame, it's really nice. Oh, back into the sunlight. Bright light, bright light. Okay, I'm over the other side of the hill. The bugs are a lot worse. In the distance, if you can see it or not, is whales. To make the horse shit worse, it's now lots of dog shit. Because people seem to think that because it's not in town, they haven't got to pick up the dog shit or kick it out of the way. You know, you could just kick it to the side of the footpath. No. Fuck's sake.